Good day, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Thursday. So what do we see? Firstly, I just wanted to before we go on the analysis side, actually I wanted us actually to do what to go through the robot actually, or the results of the robot. But before we go there, just for people to understand whether you have the robot or not, currently the market is not moving that much. Do you hear that? The market is not moving that much, which means the market is very slow. And I think everyone have that. Do you have that common sense? Then that now it's actually festive season. You have to understand that we don't just force to trade, even if it's the robot. You don't just force the robot to trade. Some of you will end up saying, oh, the robot is not doing this. No, the market is just stuck currently, and it's normal. It happens every time, you see. So, yeah, I just wanted to show you the results that actually on the right hand side, or yeah, on my right hand side. So, I'll just scroll lower. You can see there is losses, guys. There are profits and there are losses. If we scroll down here, obviously the robot, these results here, they were categorized by the date and stuff like that, or the negatives. You see. So, but what I know is the robot is profitable. People, they just trade 2 days, and say, oh, the robot is not profitable. No, are you like seriously? When we do the test of the robot, there are days where the robot is going to lose, or even a week or weeks where the market is not going to go in our favor. That's normal. There is no miracle. But at the end of the day, you're going to get what you want. You're going to get positive results. Do you understand that? Do you understand that? So actually, this week and last week, the market was not actually moving that much. So at the end of the day, I even turned off the robot. I turned it yesterday, I think, but there was only 2 positions. Only 2 positions, which shows that, you know what, we are where the market is very slow. You can see we have some serious negatives, but when you check, those are small numbers. It's $21, it's 21, 21, 7, 7, 7, 15, because they were categorized on one place, or a day or 2 days, something like that. So when we have profits also, it's something like that. You can see that some days we have some negatives, and most of the time, some of them I was just opening them manually. So it shows that yes, some days we're going to be wrong, and some days we're going to be right. You can see the blue there. You can see the red there. And what I like is, at the end of the day, we are the winners. So I'm surprised when people, they say, it's not making money, but you don't even have 2 weeks. We don't even have a week, maybe. So guys, you sometimes you can have the right tools, but if you don't know how to use them, you will always think maybe it's someone's fault, and actually it's you, because you don't actually understand how to use the tools, or maybe you don't understand the market in general, you see. So I'm just trying to scroll down. You can see we had some very nice profits, and some also very nice losses there, and also some profits. So it's 50-50. It's like it's 50-50. We lose, we win, we lose, we win. But at the end of the day, we have some nice profit. You can see that it's 40K. Very nice 40K there. But do you see us crying and say, oh, this week we were losing? No, that is not trading. You're still going to have some losses. That's normal. But what I know is you're not going to even blow your account. Some people, they just have, maybe they plug the robot today, then early tomorrow they call me, Kenzo, the robot is not working. Some, they say, oh, it's working. They've been using that for 2 weeks or 3 weeks or even a month. So this is, I know this robot follows the trend, and it works better than most traders. It works better than most traders because it will always follow what is there, not something else. So yeah, I was just trying to address that for some people. So yeah, we have some losses and wins. It's not like it's all day blue. Like you see here, it's just blue. No, it's not going to be like that. It's not going to be like that. You heard me. So yeah, for those who wants to be part of the team, guys, for those who wants to be part of the team, you know what to do. There is the actually the WhatsApp if you want to contact me. The Prime Robot, you can see is 265. But what I said is yesterday, if you still remember yesterday, I said only 11 people, because we were left with 11 people to reach actually 5,000 or 5k subscribers. But I can see the number is not actually changing. I think it's only 1% subscribed. So yes, for now on, we left with actually 10 people to join. Remember, let me just make a screen like this. I think we are left with actually how many people? We are left with 10. So which means I still need people who can join the team. Lifetime signals for $45 and also the robot for $75. Only 10 people. Only 10 people. This is just going to be limited. Obviously, if you miss this, don't blame me. If I know if I can go live, I'm going to reach that 10. The people, they're going to subscribe very quick. So just for those who wants to be part of the team, they know what to do. So you can just WhatsApp me. There's always a link for my WhatsApp. Then talk to me there. Talk to me there. So as I said, we left with 10 people, 10 subscribers. So I hope you see that and I hope you understand that. So let's go straight. Oh, this should be here. So let's go straight to our analysis. I'm just going to do this as quick as possible because around 10 the power is going to go off. The power is gonna go off. Hey, load shading, guys, is like seriously not trying to go away. It's like seriously not even trying. So as you know, we're going to start with GBP USD. So what's really happening here is you can easily see that yes, the market is actually giving us some very nice uptrend. Or before I even continue on that special, guys, if you still remember, we have this. I think we left with only 1 or 2 people to join because I actually wanted 5. So it means we left with 1 or 2. So if you want to be part of the team, if you want me to grow that account for you, the target is a minimum of actually $2,000. No split. We don't actually split your profits and stuff, but upfront fee is actually $250. So yeah, I hope maybe you see that. So what's really happening on GBPUSD? We can easily see that even if we don't know things, but that actually is pushing up, and then at the end of the day we call that an uptrend. Do you see that the market is uptrending? That is called uptrend. So our job currently, our job is to do what? Is to make sure that we find areas where we can do what? Continue buying. These support area are very important. It's not like maybe they just connect one structure to another. They help us to do what? To know where there is a potential for us to do what? To buy or to sell. You see that? So now, if we go closer there, we can easily see that, oh, the market is actually here. We can just do it like that. The market is actually very close to, actually it's there. It's actually on our support, and it's actually it was trying to break this area, but we have another support there. So which means this order here, it's supposed to be around that area. But remember, you should do that on your smaller time frame, maybe 15 minutes time frame and stuff like that. And there's also another strategy that we can use to say, yeah, maybe we can wait for the market to break that area, then we can take it on top there. If you were part of this team, you know what I'm talking about. So this area can connect very nice. So yes, the market is still uptrending. If not, we will see it when the market breaks this area. If the market breaks that support area, that is where we will see the market starting to do what? To bleed, or to start to change the trend and starting to go down. Simple as that. So let's push to the next one, as we don't really want to take enough time. I can see it's already 9 minutes, so I'll be as quick as possible then. So Yeah, I think this is nice because I talked about this yesterday. Euro USD is on a very nice uptrend. You can see the market is uptrending, and yesterday we identified this area and also another support. If we go closer there, you can see that I said the market actually, once it reaches this area, most of the time the market was doing what? The market was pushing up. You can see this area. Once the market touches this area, the market pushes up, the market pushes up, the market pushes up. Even here now, the market pushes up. I don't know if I sent this signal or something because maybe the market was consolidating, but I don't know if I sent this, but I don't know if I did this the time I was analyzing or not because the market is like seriously slow, you see. So let's push to the next one. Euro USD still on that uptrend. Dollar still trying to now weaken a little bit. So USDJPY, what's really happening? We are on a very, very, very nice downtrend. By the way, you can see that the market is downtrending. We also identified that area. If you watched my previous videos, you will see that we will already identified this. So it means our job is quite simple. We waited for the market to try to bounce back there before we do what? Before we sell, as we are on a downtrend. So let's push to the next one. Let's see, 11 minutes. Okay. What's really happening on gold is quite straightforward. We are on a very nice uptrend. But at the end of the day, we can see that the market is on a resistance. So for us, I actually thought about sending this signal yesterday, but I just said, okay, let me just wait for the market to break. Because what I was thinking about, okay, why not you send them a buy signal and I say, you know what, it's fine. It's better for me to do what? Just to wait a little bit. Then if it breaks, then we're going to take that. Or maybe it's just straightforward, which you can see that the market can still come back before maybe it pushes up. Do you see that? But what I see is that we are on a very, very, very nice uptrend. Do you see that? So yeah, the market is a bit slow, guys. The market is a bit slow since the market was there even yesterday. So don't cry and say, oh, the market 1, 2, 3. No, the market is not moving. Not only on your side, all over the world, the market is not moving that much. So yeah, what's really happening? Yes, on US oil, the market is also actually on a downtrend or downtrending. And what we see here is we easily identified our trend there, a counter trend line, which was going down, but it seems like the market was tired with that, and it seems like the market wants to do what? To push the upside. But the market was seriously slow because the market was around that area. But I think maybe the market might come back and retest here before maybe pushing up, or there is a chance for the market to just push up, but it seems like the market will be playing games. The market will be actually going very low. This buy there is actually a nice hit and run. You don't really have to hold that longer because we are actually on a downtrend. We know that we are on a downtrend. I hope you understand that. So if we are on a downtrend, actually it means that we're expecting the market to do what? To keep pushing lower and lower. So what's really happening on US30? The market is actually now confusing. Before it was actually, let me just hide this. The market was actually going down very nice. You see, the market was going down very nice. So now the market has this structure where the market is now selling. The market sold after we broke out. The market started to consolidate around this area. Now we saw a sell. Instead of a sell, now we see the market trying to push up. And you might find that when you check this on a 4-hour time frame, it seems like some very nice moves. Those are not very nice moves. The market was seriously very slow around, like you can see here, the market has been like seriously slow. Even here, the market is like consolidating very slow. So what I see is the market, I think, is going to be like this for quite some time now, maybe for this week and next week. Then after maybe the other weeks, then the market is always going to start to maybe give us some nice moves. But what I see here is, I see around this area, there is a zone where the market was actually doing what? Respecting. And it seems like the market is also going to respect the same thing. but we also have another support very closer. So what do? It's quite difficult because now we're not sure where the market is going. We're not sure about the trend. Is the trend going down or up? We are not really sure about that. So our job is to do what? To wait for a breakout here. Then we can do what? We can sell. Or maybe we can just wait for the market to break this area. Then we can start thinking about buying. Yes, some they might think maybe I'm losing the pips. You're not losing the pips because we want to be sure where the market is going. We have to be extra sure, because if we just jump, we can just buy, then the market sell, or we can sell, then the market start to push up. And when we check, it's because we don't have that patience. We can't wait, and we're supposed to wait. I hope you understand that. So let's push to the next one, which is actually NASDAQ. This one just played games with me yesterday. But the bigger picture here is quite straightforward. We are still on a downtrend. The market is doing what? The market is downtrending. The market is actually going down. So when the market is going down like this, you start to understand that, you know what? We are on a downtrend, right? We're expecting the market to push up. But when we go closer there, it seems like after that aggressive sell, we have a very nice structure. We have a very nice structure where the market actually, it seems like it's going to bounce back. And yesterday, since the market was not actually moving, I had some nice buys. As I also sent to the group, I think day before, we had some very nice buy, and I was tired holding those trades. I got out because this area seems to be a resistance. Guess what? After I got out, I think maybe 30 minutes later, the market was now flying, and I wasn't going to chase that. But what do we see? The market is actually on a downtrend, but we reached a support, a very weak support that maybe might push the market to the upside. But I think the best way is to wait for the market to give us something. Let's wait for the market to give us something. It's difficult to buy, especially on a downtrend. So it means we have to have a solid structure that we can connect and say, whether we lose, whether we buy, but at least we're going to have a better reasoning and say, we bought because of this, we sold because of that. But now we don't know why we're supposed to buy or why we're supposed to sell. It means we're supposed to do what? Wait. Those are the rules that can make us to be to stay longer in the game. I hope you understand that. So yes, don't forget that we left with 10 people to subscribe. Please, guys, if you are not subscribed, subscribe. We left with only 10, guys. I think before we end this month, we will be on 5,000 plus. So for everyone who wants to join, those 10 people, because yesterday one person joined, it's $45 for signals, lifetime signals, and $75 for Prime Robot, which there's also some updates coming. So, and for those who have the robots, if you're watching, the market is not actually moving that much. So, and you know that our robot actually follows the trend. So mostly we're going to have very, very, very few trades. If maybe not even one trade. Or maybe the trades, they might be losing because along the way here, the market is like seriously consolidating. The market is like seriously somehow the market, you can see that people maybe just because we're on 4 hours, they think maybe the market is moving. Look at this. Look at this. Do you see that? So the market is actually giving us this type of moves. It can hold you for a very long time. You sell, then it comes back, it touches your stop loss, it buys. So you end up losing very easy, you see. So let me not make this video very long. So thank you very much. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. This is Kenzo. Yeah, if you want to talk to me, smash that WhatsApp link or just WhatsApp me straight. Then thank you very much. Bye.